What's good, guys? It's Combat here at Infinite Rhythm Productions, and this is the official tutorial for the Logic Pro X stock telephone effects expansion pack.
Combat, this a banger, huh?
So when you first download the pack, you guys are going to get this folder right here. This is the telephone effects expansion pack, Logic Pro X stock plugins. You guys are going to have a readme right here, which pretty much just takes you to the tutorial that you guys are watching right now. And then we have our session right here. This session has the 5 presets right in there, as well as the 5 presets that you guys see right here. So what's really cool about the Logic Pro X versions here is you guys could import these presets straight into Logic, so any track you guys have open could be changed to that telephone effect. It's really dope. I'm gonna show you guys how to import it right now. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go up to your Spotlight and you're gonna type channel strip settings. You're gonna hit enter. You guys should get this folder right here, and just to double check you guys are in the right folder, you can right click the folder up here and make sure you guys are in your user, music, audio music apps, and then channel strip settings. You guys will then go to track, and you guys can see I already have a lot of my presets right here. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure you guys have all these presets right here, and you're just gonna drag the folder straight into there. And then when you guys do, you guys should have it right here where it has all your presets. All right, so we have our session open right here. This song is by John Mack. You guys could already see we have like our whole template right here, from our hook double ad-libs to our verse double ad-libs, our recording track and beat. This is actually the clear vocal preset. This is the male rap warm preset from the Just Clear vocal preset series. We're gonna play out this track right now.
The type to put paint where it ain't, but they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes.
All right, fire. So to import these, you guys could already see that we have our ad-lib tracks right here. We could do one or two things. We could either hit the little plus right here and just add another audio track, or we could just hit Command D on this ad-lib track and then do it from there. Either way works perfectly fine. Right now we have this track open. We're gonna go to user channel strip settings. We're gonna go to telephone effects preset. This is the stock ones right here. And then we're gonna try out a couple different presets. As you guys can see, we have the telephone effects singing, telephone effects rap, reverb, rap, and distorted. We're gonna bring this down right here, and then we're gonna double click on the rap one. So this is pretty much just a clean ad-lib telephone effect.
Sucker, what the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes. Yeah, they say they be with killers, send them niggas up my way. I got some young niggas that's ready, out here trying to up the rank. I don't care.
Dope. So that's the clean one. Now we're gonna double click to the distorted one. It will automatically change it. Now let's hear the distorted.
Where it ain't, but they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes. Yeah, they say they be with killers.
Fire. Let's go to the super reverb dot one now.
The type to put paint where it ain't, but they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes. Yeah, they say they be with killers.
Dope. So that's the difference between the 3 ad-lib telephone effects we have in that preset pack. Now I'm gonna bring this back up over here. Now I'm gonna delete this one right here, and we're back to the template that we have, as you guys can see. Now I'm gonna show you guys the main telephone effect vocal presets that we have. So I'm gonna hit Command D to duplicate this right here. I'm gonna then go to user channel strip settings. I'm gonna go to the telephone effects stock, and I'm gonna hit the main vocal telephone effects rap. I'm gonna double click that right there. I'm gonna bring this down, and let's just listen to it.
The type to put paint where it ain't, but they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes.
Dope. I'm gonna try the singing one. Let's hear the difference between those.
The type to put paint where it ain't, but they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes. Yeah, they say they be with killers, send them niggas up my way.
Now you guys are probably wondering, why would I want my main vocals to have a telephone effect on it? Isn't that gonna like ruin the song? Now, it all depends on your type of song. Now, you might not use it the whole time, but maybe you guys have a bridge on a singing song, or like a little like breakdown on a rapper singing song or something like that, and you guys just want like the beat to do something, and then have like the vocals kind of changed up with the beat. Maybe adding one of these effects would make it super simple, instead of having to make an audio track from scratch, like find the EQs, compression, all that other stuff, when you guys could just add the channel strip right there. It's super easy. Now I'm going to show you guys another example of how to use this effect. I'm going to go back to the rap and I'm going to bring this one back up right here. Now for any one of the ones you guys are changing, like let's say we change this right here, you guys want to change the name of this too. It does change the decal right here, so it kind of helps with like what it is, you know, that you guys are dealing with. So if you guys have it the same as like lead, vox, verse right now, you guys just maybe want to do lead, vox, telly or something like that. All right, dope. So I highlighted this part of the track right here. I'm gonna bring it down to this effect, and now let's play it back from here.
I ain't never been the type to put paint where it ain't, but they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You would never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say I'm not been a man is to admit to your mistakes. Yeah, they shit don't never stink. I say I'm part of been a man is to admit to your mistakes. Yeah, they say they be with killers, send them niggas. Shit don't never stink. I say I'm part of been a man is to admit to your mistakes. Yeah, they say they be with.
So you guys kind of get the idea how at the end of that part we could like add that dope telephone effect. We could obviously go in there and make it sound a little better or whatever, but that's the gist of it. That's the whole thing of the main vocal telephone effect preset. It kind of gives you different ideas or ways to kind of change up the song, change up the vibe of everything. All right, awesome. So that pretty much concludes the tutorial for the Logic Pro X stock telephone effects expansion pack. I hope this really helped you guys out. Now again, this pack has 5 different presets in there, 2 for your main vocals, 3 for your ad-lib tracks, just to give different tones and textures to your song. This could be imported into any Logic Pro X session like you guys just saw right here. Now if you guys are really liking this template and preset, feel free to check out our website, www.infiniterhythmpresets.com. We have our Just Clear Vocal preset series as well as our Essential series from hip hop to R&B. So as long as you guys have Logic Pro X with all the plugins installed, you guys could use any of these things you saw in this video today. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to hit me up on Instagram at combat_K. I'll make sure I put the link in description. And again, please like, comment, and subscribe because that helps me out a lot so I can continue to help you guys out. Let's get it.